बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम इब्राहिम कुरैशी है। मेरे यहाँ स्कूल इस्लामाबाद का एक तालिब इल्म हूँ और इससे फेट पढ़ता हूँ। आज हम माया से बात करेंगे। हमारा टॉपिक है एयर ब्रीथिंग लाइफ इनटू लैंग्वेज। तो आए माया को कॉल करते हैं।
Hi, what's up?
Hello Maya, my name is Ibrahim Qureshi. My topic is air breathing life into language. What is air?
Hey, Ibrahim. Air is basically the invisible mixture of gases that surrounds our planet, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, that we all need to survive. It's wild how something we can't even see is the one thing we absolutely can't live without. Since you're thinking about it in terms of breathing life into language, are you looking at the physical side of things or more of the poetic side?
Why is air important?
Well, for starters, it's the reason we're having this conversation right now. Without it, there's no oxygen for our brains and bodies to function, and no medium for sound waves to travel through. Beyond just keeping us alive, it regulates the Earth's temperature and protects us from the sun's harshest rays. It's basically the planet's life support system.
Do humans need air?
They definitely do. Everyone does, women, men, animals, you name it. It's a universal requirement for being alive.
Can we live without air?
Nope, not a chance. Your brain and organs would shut down in a matter of minutes. It's the one thing you just can't compromise on.
Do animals need air?
Absolutely. From the tiniest insect to a blue whale, every animal needs air to breathe and stay alive.
Do plants need air?
They do, but they do it differently than we do. Instead of oxygen, they're mostly looking for carbon dioxide to make their own food through photosynthesis. It's a pretty neat trade off since they give us the oxygen we need in return.
Is air around us?
It sure is. It's everywhere. Even though you can't see it, you're basically swimming in it every second of the day.
Can we see air?
Nope, air is completely transparent unless there's a lot of smoke or fog mixed in. It's totally invisible to the naked eye.
Can we feel air?
You definitely can. Think about a breeze on a warm day or the wind hitting your face when you're moving fast. You can't see it, but you can absolutely feel it pushing against you.
Is air important every day?
Every single second. It's the one thing you can't take a day off from. You're breathing thousands of times a day without even thinking about it.
Where is air found?
I'm not quite sure I follow. Are you asking if there's air inside a phone or maybe how air affects them? Let me know what you mean.
Can air move as wind?
I'm a little confused by that. Are you asking if air is the same thing as wind or if we can ask the wind something? Help me out here.
Is fresh air good for health?
It really is. Getting some fresh air helps clear your head, boosts your mood, and just generally makes you feel more awake. It's like a reset button for your brain.
Can air be clean or dirty?
It definitely can. Clean air is what we want, pure and fresh. Dirty air is basically when things like smog, smoke, or dust get mixed in, which is why pollution is such a big deal. It's the difference between breathing in a forest and breathing in the middle of a traffic jam.
Is air important indoors?
Absolutely. If you're stuck in a room with no ventilation, the air gets stale. and you start feeling sluggish. You need that fresh flow to keep things balanced and healthy inside.
Can air be found everywhere on Earth?
Pretty much. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest valleys, air is everywhere on the surface. Even though it gets thinner the higher you go, it's always there. Do you think there's anywhere on Earth where it's actually missing?
Is air a natural resource?
It absolutely is. It's one of the most essential natural resources we have because it's the foundation for almost every living thing on the planet. Without it, the whole system just collapses.
Is air important for life?
It's the most important thing for life. Without air, nothing on this planet would exist as we know it. It's just the literal spark that keeps everything running.
Why do people breathe air?
I think you mean breathe, right? We breathe because our bodies need oxygen to create energy. Every cell in your body uses that oxygen to turn nutrients from your food into the fuel that keeps your heart beating and your brain thinking.
Can air help us stay alive?
I can't physically breathe for you, but I'm definitely here to help you think, create, and navigate through whatever you're working on. I'm like a partner for your ideas. Since you're focusing on air breathing life into language, maybe we can figure out how to make your video really pop.
Is oxygen found in air?
Not exactly born in it, but it's a huge part of it. Oxygen is one of the gases that makes up air. Most of that oxygen actually comes from plants and algae through photosynthesis, so they're basically the ones creating the oxygen that then floats around in the air for us to breathe.
Can breathing help our body work?
It's the only way it works. Breathing delivers the oxygen your blood carries to every single organ. It's like a delivery service for your heart, lungs, and brain. Without it, the whole system just stops. Plus, it helps your body get rid of carbon dioxide, which is basically the waste your cells leave behind.
Is clean air good for our lung- lungs?
That's an interesting way to put it. If you mean it metaphorically, then absolutely. When you're breathing clean air and feeling clear headed, your thoughts flow better and your words usually feel more precise and inspired. It's hard to be eloquent when you're feeling suffocated or sluggish. Are you thinking about how a person's environment changes the way they speak?
Is breathing important during sleep?
Oh, completely. Your body just takes over the controls while you're out, keeping a steady rhythm so your organs keep getting that oxygen they need. It's one of the few things we do perfectly without even having to think about it.
Is air important for children?
It is absolutely essential. Children's bodies are growing and developing so fast that they need a constant, healthy supply of oxygen to fuel their brains and muscles. In a way, it's even more critical for them since they're so sensitive to things like pollution or poor air quality.
Can deep breathing help us relax?
It really does. When you take those slow, deep breaths, it signals to your nervous system that it's okay to calm down. It's like telling your brain that there's no emergency, which lowers your heart rate and clears out the mental noise. Have you ever tried using deep breathing to get focused before a shoot?
Can fresh air improve health?
It definitely does. Fresh air helps your lungs work better, boosts your energy, and keeps your mind sharp. It's one of the easiest ways to give your body a little bit of a health upgrade just by stepping outside.
Can air move?
I'm a little lost on that one. Are you asking if there's a movie called Air or maybe if air is used in how movies are made? Let me know.
Is is wind moving air?
I think you might mean wind. Wind is exactly that. It's just air in motion. When there's a difference in air pressure from one place to another, the air starts moving to balance things out, and that's what creates the breeze or the gusts you feel.
Can storms have strong winds?
Stones don't have genes. Genes are for living things like people, animals, and plants to pass on traits. Stones are made of minerals, so they don't have DNA or biological blueprints. They're
Can
more about geology than biology.
can fans move the air?
I'm guessing you're asking if fans move air. They definitely do. A fan doesn't actually cool the air itself, but it pushes it across your skin, which helps your body evaporate moisture and feel cooler. It's basically a way of creating your own little windstorm indoors.
ओके बाय माया। आपको माया से मिलके कैसा लगा? इंशाल्लाह अच्छा लगा होगा। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।